Shout out to all my fellow foodies who love to be happy and satisfy their cravings for good food. It's time to learn some new cooking tips to save our time, make a food finger licking good, and help a family bond more and more. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Deb'S Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Deb'S Kitchen Delight Show. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Deb'S Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Deb'S Kitchen Delight Show.
Hello, beautiful foodies, and I welcome you to a brand new episode of the Deb'S Kitchen Delight Show. I am Chef Debbie, and I welcome and appreciate your comments and feedback so far. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified when I upload new video every week. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my recipe for a delicious coleslaw. Coleslaw is a side dish that originated in the Netherlands in the 18th century. And it's a side dish that is rich in fiber, it is delicious, it's rich in calcium and vitamins A and C. It is good and easy to make, so I will show you today how to make it. To make your coleslaw, you need these basic ingredients. You need some cabbage, carrots, sugar, mayonnaise, salt, black pepper, apple cider vinegar, and lemon. I'll also be using some spring onion and parsley for garnish. So that's basically all you need to make delicious coleslaw.
Deb'S Kitchen Delight Show.
Now you can make your coleslaw with a just ordinary grater or even shred by hand with a knife. But I'm going to be using a food processor today just because I want to save time. I want to move fast. So please, I have this blend food processor that I actually love to use. It's super fast and efficient. So let's do it. I'll just yes, that's fine. I need to remove it. So I'll try to cut my cabbage into tinier bits so that I can go through the shredding hole. So I'll just start shredding it now. Yeah, I'm trying to push this through the blender. Yeah. I'll do the same thing to the green cabbage too. I'll quickly just do it. I don't want to waste time now. Yeah. So now I want to remove this. The bowl is full, so I want to remove my cabbage. I'm pouring it into this big bowl here, so I'll remove it now. Great. Yeah, thank you. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. So.
Deb'S Kitchen Delight Show.
I want to grate this carrot. I'm not shredding it, I'm grating it. So let's start. Yeah, and we are done. So that's all. So I'm going to pour it out now and add it to the cabbage. Yeah. So we move on now to the wet ingredients. We have our cabbage and carrot already shredded. So we move on to the wet ingredients. Now to make our, like I said, we'll just quickly toss all these wet ingredients together. In goes our mayo. Mayo goes in first, or together with the sugar. Your sugar content depends on your preference, whatever you want. I go in with the apple cider vinegar. You also need to add some salt and black pepper. Half of a lemon. Yeah, you can use your hand. There's no need to look for other gadgets. So I'll use this and rinse my hand. So we whisk. Whisk until you have a creamy consistency. This is what I'm talking about. Now, if you use too much mayo, you can make your coleslaw to be runny. You just see that the mayonnaise will be at the bottom of the coleslaw and to be too much. So I think just a little goes a long way. But before I add it to the cabbage, please, I need to slice my this scallion or green onion and add it to the dig out the sounds like, yeah. It goes in with my parsley too. Yeah. So I'll give you a rough chop. Yeah, that's fine. And in goes there too. So now we had the wet ingredients to the cabbage, and there you have your coleslaw. Simple as ABC. So to mix, we mix together and it's done. You can serve it now, but you should definitely keep it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before serving. So I'm going to mix this together now, keep it in the fridge, and I'll see you after 30 minutes to serve.
Deb'S Kitchen Delight Show.
So it's been 30 minutes and the coleslaw has been chilling in the fridge for 30 minutes. It's now ready to serve. I'll be tasting it myself this episode. I don't have any guests coming. So yeah. So it looks beautiful and I am sure it tastes delicious too. So let's have a taste. It's crunchy, it's tangy, and it's delicious. Beautiful. So don't forget to like, share and comment in the comment section below. I love to hear from you. So until next episode of Deb'S Kitchen Delights, it's bye for now.
Shout out to all my fellow foodies who love to